So if you use iTunes to back up your iPhone on your Windows computer, then I'll be showing you how to access the folder that contains your iPhone backup. So simply go to File Explorer and then click on this PC and then go to your local disk C. In here, just click on Users, and then if you have multiple users, click on your own user. Okay, so click on your name to open your user files, and in here you should look for a folder called Apple. Okay, so click on that and then click on Mobile Sync, and then you should see Backup. Okay, if you click on that, then this is the backup folder. Okay, so this is the backup folder for this specific date, you can see here, and if you have multiple backups, they're going to be listed here. But that's basically how to access the backup folder in your Windows computer, the backup folder for your iPhone in your Windows PC. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.